Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, August 25th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a simple network marketing formula that will help you build your organization and help you grow your empire. Okay? But before I get started, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, if you're serious about having success with your work from home opportunity, you need to be doing income producing activities every single day, IPAs, all right? Income producing activities. You want to be inviting people to your opportunity so that they can check out the presentation or business overview or what, basically taking the tour of your opportunity. All right. And then you want to be following up with that person. All right. So every opportunity that I'm a part of has a marketing system, and the marketing system does all the selling and telling for me, and it does all the follow-up for me. So when somebody goes to my capture page and they watch the video, and they enter their information to receive more information about the opportunity, the system will take it over to a sales page, and then they'll follow up on my behalf with emails, an autoresponder system, okay? So my only job is to get people over to my capture pages. And what you want to do is you want to have a minimum of 2 exposures every single day, right? So that means you want to have 2 people minimum every single day go and watch your presentation, all right? And you can invite them however you want to. You can use business cards, all right? Like this, like we have for Quicksilver, where people get a free piece of silver just for checking out the opportunity. You can send out emails. You can create content on YouTube, Facebook, any social media platform. You can do direct mail, right? Look at this. Big stack of, I'm going to the post office right now to drop these letters off in the mail, all right? Most people, it's very simple to get 2 people, invite 2 people to go and take the tour of whatever business opportunity that you're a part of. All right. And most good business opportunities nowadays, they have their own marketing system. Okay. So it's super easy to do. Anybody can do this. And if you do 2 people a day throughout the year, that's 730 people exposures to your opportunity that you're going to get by just sharing this by just inviting people to your tour. 2 people to your tour, right? 730 people in a year. All right. Now let's just do 10% for simple math. But say you have a 10% conversion rate. That's 73 new people into your business opportunity every single year. Okay? Most people, they can't even get 3 people into their opportunity. And that's simply because they don't do any work. They join these opportunities and they think they're just going to get rich by doing absolutely nothing. Okay? We all know that it takes work. But how cool would it be to have 73 signups in your opportunity? And I can't guarantee anything, if you're going to have success or make money or get signups. It's all dependent on your work ethic. But I can tell you, this month alone, August, I've had 16 people up to this day, in this month, join my opportunity. 16 people I've had come into my business opportunities in just August alone. And we still have a whole nother week left. And that is because I show up every day and I do income producing activities, right? I create content on YouTube. I post on Facebook. I mail out letters constantly. I'm constantly mailing out letters, all right? Direct mail is still my favorite way to market. But I'm showing up every day. I'm handing out business cards. I'm talking to people. I'm not afraid to do that. And if you really want to build a big organization, you can't live in the fear box. You have to step outside of your comfort zone and do things that you normally wouldn't want to do, like make videos. Most people don't want to do videos. Okay, well, don't do videos. Go and hand out business cards. Oh, I don't want to talk to anybody. Create post something on Facebook or social media. Like, there's no excuse not to get two people every day to look at your business opportunity. Right? Now, listen to this. So if you do that you can't miss a day. All right? Don't miss a day. You have to treat this like brushing your teeth. All right? You brush your teeth every day, twice a day, right? Most people. But you want to be brushing your teeth at least twice a day, right? So, and you don't want to miss any days. It's the same with this. You want to get 2 exposures every single day minimum and never miss a day. So that way, at the end of the year, you know that you've exposed 730 people to your opportunity. And with a 10% conversion rate, that might be a little high, especially if you're just starting out, but just for simple math, that's 73 new people into your business opportunity. Right? And you go and you set the example for all of your team members by showing up every day. Teach them exactly what it is that you do, so that those 73 people can go out and start exposing the business opportunity to 2 people every single day. This is how empires are built. This is how people like Brian Carruthers built a team of over 400,000 people. Right? In over 26 years now, he's personally recruited 1,900 people into his business opportunity. And out of those 1,900 people, his organization has grown to over 400,000 people. Right? Most people, they join these opportunities, they don't even stick with the opportunity for a month. And they quit, and they cry, and they say, it doesn't work. It's a scam. That's BS. Right? These opportunities, and I know there are bad ones out there, but for the ones that I'm a part of, they're all legit opportunities. Okay? They're all legit opportunities. If they're not working for you, it's because you're not working the business. Right? For some reason, you have that entitlement belief that just because you spent some money to join a program, that you should be making money, or that your upline should be building your team for you. So I'm just going to sit back and not do anything. And there's been a couple opportunities, and I've been a part of these opportunities, some of these opportunities, where they, part of their marketing is to say you can earn up to this amount of money every single month without referring anybody. But listen, you will, like, if you join me in an opportunity like Quicksilver, you will get spillover from me. And I do have builders on my team. You will get spillover. But we're not going to build your whole organization for you. You have to come in and show up and put in the work. Right? Don't you want that for yourself? Why would you just want to sit back and let everybody else do the work for you? You know how lame that is? You want to be a team player, right? Teamwork makes the dream work. So what I do when people come into my opportunity, the people that I see taking action are the ones that I help the most. The tire kickers that come in, yeah, they'll probably get a little spillover, but I'm not going to be intentionally putting people underneath them. I'm going to help build the teams of the people who are actually putting in the work and showing up every day and taking action and helping build out the organization. Because at the end of the day, it's all about teamwork. But just imagine if you exposed 2 people a day minimum for 1 year without missing a day. Even if you're not feeling good, it's, you can do anything. You can schedule posts on Facebook. You can create videos and schedule them for when they post. You can create content ahead of time. You can put letters together and mail them out a little bit every single day. There's no excuse not to build your business that you're a part of. When I see people join and they quit within the first 30 days, and then they're writing to me saying it's a scam, it doesn't work, those people are never, ever, ever, ever going to build a business, ever, unless they change their mindset. Unless they realize that they have to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. That's the winning key. That's the winning formula. And when you go and you stay consistent by exposing 2 people every single day to your business opportunity, you're 90% ahead of everybody else in the network marketing world, because most people fail to do this. Some people will be like, oh, I did one post this week about my opportunity. Or I created one video this month about my opportunity. Listen, people don't care about that. People want to join people. They want to join somebody who's taking action every single day. They want to see people posting their results. Some people are like, I don't post my results. That's because you're not getting any results. Why wouldn't you want to post your results? You don't have to post every single result. I don't post every single result that I get. But every week I'm posting results because I want people to know that I'm not just talking the talk. I'm walking the walk, showing up every single day, taking action. Yes, you want to join somebody like me. Somebody who shows up. Somebody who's going to be there for you when you have questions or need assistance. I am a good sponsor. Most sponsors disappear. They're just looking to make the quick buck. Once they get the sign up, they're gone. You have to be a leader. You have to make people want to join you. Right? 98% of people in network marketing never make any money. And that's because they never take any action. But the people that do show up, the people that do take action, those are the people that get results. Those are the people that go on to build empires. You know, and it took me a long time to figure this out. 10 years of my marketing that I spent jumping from program to program to program. Just wasting time. You know, never building anything to write home about. I'd make money here and there, but it was never anything to write home about. You know, when I finally listened to my mentors who told me stop jumping from program to program to program and focus on one until you start building up a nice monthly residual income. And then if you want to, go add another one. Until I started doing that, I was just wasting time. And since I have, started doing that, I've been building my empire. And I get results every day. I get results that are not typical. Because my work ethic is not typical. But imagine that. Imagine you go and you share your opportunity with 2 people a day. You never miss a day for the whole year. 730 people that you're sharing the opportunity with who actually looked at your capture page or your presentation, took the tour of your business. 10% of them join. You have 73 people. Now you go and teach those people to do the same exact thing. Think about where your business will be in a year or 2 years or 3 years if you stay with it. It's mind-boggling, right? It's the only industry that I know of where you can write your own paychecks and they're totally based on your work ethic. But there's no income cap. There's no income cap. There's people in this industry that make, like I always talk about Dexter Yeager from Amway. He built his organization so big that his family still makes $600,000+ every single month and has been for many, many years. And Dexter Yeager's passed away years ago. Brian Carruthers from Legal Shield, I talk about all the time, one of my mentors. He makes over $200,000 a month. Right? I mean, there's a lot of people that make this kind of money, but they're the same people who have stuck with the same business. I think Brian Carruthers has been 26 or 27 years now with Legal Shield. Right? So it doesn't matter what opportunity you're in or what it is that you're sharing or promoting. You just have to stay consistent and you have to make sure that at least 2 people are taking your tour every single day. And when you do that, you're going to be light years beyond everybody else. All right? You're going to be up in the 2% club in network marketing, which, by the way, to be in the 2% club of network marketing, you only have to refer 10 people into your business opportunity in your life. 10 people to be in the top 2%. Think about that. Most people don't even refer 3 people and they quit. Folks, anybody can do this. I'm a normal person. I'm nobody special. I'm not a marketing guru. I'm just somebody who's decided to show up every single day and take massive action and stay consistent. And I get the results that I get, and I share the results. And I try to provide value in my videos to inspire everybody, to help you build that momentum, because once you get some momentum going, that's what creates motivation. And then once you're motivated enough and you get on, you change your mindset and you understand that you have to show up every single day to get results, then everything changes. That's when everything changes. So commit today, get 2 exposures daily, and start building your empire, right? Stay consistent and start building your empire. It works if you work it, okay? So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. I appreciate that. Also, feel free to share this if you know somebody who might benefit from watching this video. Like I said, I try to provide value in all my videos to help people build whatever opportunity that you're a part of. You don't even have to be in my opportunities, right? But if you are looking for an opportunity, we're building out Quicksilver, right? You can go and get a free silver bar just for taking the tour, right? You can go to silverstackingempire.com, silverstackingempire.com. Check it out. Our team is growing. And talk about an action taker. I have a gentleman who joined me just over a week ago in Quicksilver, and he's already ranking on the first page of Google with his YouTube videos for Quicksilver. All right? That's an action taker. That's an action taker. That's the type of people that I like to work with, okay? So it's possible. You just have to decide that you want it bad enough and show up every day, all right? I appreciate all of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.